Hey guys, Ammy here. Well, now I am. It happened again. The Great Flood 2 Electric Boogaloo. Now, this time we had absolutely torrential rain. It knocked out the power for the entire street because all of these old buildings are built exactly the same, so the water comes in through the top and goes straight for the electronics in the building. So, Thursday night / early Friday morning, we had National Grid come out and literally turn off the power for the whole road because there was a house down the road and their electric was literally arcing in their house. So we had the fire brigade, we had National Grid, we had severe rain. So Friday, I got out of work, but I spent the day literally remopping the house. The nice new rug that I normally stand on when I'm recording these videos was absolutely drenched through. So that brand new rug is currently hopefully draining in the shower before I've got to hang it up somewhere where it doesn't drip everywhere. September was going to be the month that I come back because if you've been here a while, September, Soup-tember, it's great times. I love Soup-tember. Nice, simple, easy meals. So filling, so satisfying. You can freeze them down. It's great. You can just batch cook soup. I love soup. That's why I do Soup-tember whenever I can. Don't know if you can currently see the towel on the cooker. That's remnants because the cooker got absolutely drenched. The water came in through the smoke alarm. It came in through the light. So all the stuff that they did last time didn't really help, but the gutters have now been fully cleared. The seagulls have flown the nest. So hopefully, whilst this terrible weather continues on for another week, I shouldn't be getting wet and the whole street should still have power. But yeah, anyway, a couple of things changing. Slightly different camera angle. You can see a bit more of me now, a bit more of the counter. I can hopefully get used to this new angle. Still playing around with it, so let me know what you think. A couple of changes. Hopefully getting like little induction hob to put on the counter, so I don't have to use the cooker behind me if I'm doing, say, like a soup. Like you can see it all. I don't have to move the camera faff about. There's going to be like a purge on older videos that I really hate, and I'm going to redo them just so they're like up to actual standard. So you don't have shy, timid Ammy, you have Ammy that sounds at least semi-confident. There might even be the odd bit of face cam slipped in. I want to try and spice things up. Just in general, I want to get back into fermentation, possibly have a look at kombucha. Is it the kefir grains? I want to have a look at those because you can get water ones, you can get milk ones. Like that's another similar thing to kombucha, which I kind of want to try. And I've read about it. It's sustainable. It's not just like you buy the grains, you make a batch, that's it. The grains carry over, so that's a bonus. Kitchen-wise, trying to get some organisation going in the kitchen, trying to make more space, make it look more camera-friendly, and trying to go up rather than spreading stuff everywhere. But yeah, as I say, new camera angle. Hopefully going to be back with Soup-tember on Friday. It might be coming back with a bread rather than a soup. I don't know. Who knows? Soup-tember is a mystery. But yeah, just simple update. Should be back. Stuff's going to be changing slightly. Nothing to worry about. Should be regular uploads again. Going to be trying to do the shorts still. I've got a couple of sources to try. Sorry for that yawn. Not really been sleeping well, what with the flat raining down. But yeah, annoyingly and luckily, it seems to purely just be isolated to the kitchen. So the bedroom, the computer room, bathroom, all of that, completely fine. It's just the kitchen that the water's coming down in. So fingers crossed, there's not going to be a gaping hole in the ceiling anytime soon. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd let you know. Hopefully channel is coming back to normal. And yeah, personal life things still going on. So I'm going to be trying the best I can. Life has gotten a lot busier recently. So yeah, fingers crossed, everything back to normal as of next Friday, or this Friday coming. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for new content, and yeah, we'll see what happens.